Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to use basic home coins in PUBG Mobile to get rewards and items. The basic home coin is the basic coins that you might get in PUBG Mobile playing games or doing any extra activities or completing missions as well. Open the PUBG Mobile app and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now tap on the home coins icon on the main screen. If you don't see it right here, simply go to your crates option and go to your self-chosen crate, and you will see the home coins right here. As you can see, you can also go to your home coins from here as well. This is the home coin that you might want. This will show your current coin balance and available rewards you can buy with your home coins through here as well. Scroll through the reward shop to see what items you can redeem with your basic home coins, like outfit, crates or accessories for your home. Select the item you want, then tap redeem, confirm your choice, and the item will be added to your inventory shortly. You can visit any home you want or simply go to your home right here. It might take some time to open the shop, and this is the shop, and you might want to buy anything you want here. There are different types of things over here, and that's it guys. Now you can know how to use basic home coins in PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you out, like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.